Hello guys, welcome once again to How to Wisdom, and today we'll start our series on how to make money on YouTube without necessarily recording the camera or recording yourself. If you look at this guy, his channel is Daily Dose of Internet. What it does is that he records pictures and then records things without necessarily recording himself and drops that to YouTube, and he has today over 5 million subscribers. You can check Social Blade to see how much this person makes every month, but just by doing as simple as that. You don't necessarily need to record yourself. He's never been on camera himself, but doing that daily dose of internet, dropping new videos regularly has earned him so much. You can do the same. What are you waiting for? Start doing your own YouTube channel as well. Take care.